Come test drive the 2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, remote vehicle start, running boards. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.